Hello everyone! In this video, we're diving into the configuration module of Togile CRM, specifically how to set up lead and contact uniqueness rules. This helps you avoid duplicate entries and maintain clean, reliable data across your CRM. Let's get started. To commence, click on Configuration. Afterwards, beside Lead Uniqueness Strategy, click on Edit. Then, under Lead Uniqueness Strategy, click on Strategy. The purpose of this panel is to define and manage data uniqueness rules for leads and contacts, ensuring your CRM doesn't capture duplicate entries. Then, select your preferred strategy. Afterwards, click on Save. The new module has been successfully created. Then, beside Contact Uniqueness Strategy, click on Edit. Next up, click on Strategy and choose from the drop-down menu. Once done, click on Save. The created module has been successfully saved. Hope you liked the demo. Thank you for watching.